All right, guys, I've seen a lot of videos on these 11 by 13 Yardistry Carolina pavilions. I'm not going to tell you how to build this step by step. This is a video that I'm going to show you some issues that I ran into and some other issues or noted areas that I can't find on any other videos. Okay, so I do work for a structural engineer. These are specifically pre-cut, pre-milled frames and lumber, okay? And it is cedar, so it will not rot away, right? It is soft, so if you got some areas where you need to screw down your frame on the edges, you might want to pre-drill those to keep from splitting the ends, right? So here's a couple things you're probably gonna run into that you can't find on any other video. So number one, let's come over here. These anchor plates, okay? So these anchor plates have 1/2 inch holes, all right? I used a 1/2 inch red head anchor, about 7 inches long, all right? My patio is 4 inches thick, but in these specific areas where these posts are going, I poured it 12 inches thick. I have a 12 by 12 footing, okay? So be sure to drill your hole. A 1/2 inch bit and a hammer drill will work. I just put the bit in the hammer drill, use the concrete bit, drill through the plate, drill through the concrete. I blew it out like you're supposed to. Got rid of all the dust, brushed it out 3 or 4 times, blew it out, got all the powder out. Drove in my anchors, they set up perfect, okay? So those are 1/2 inch. You can use 1/2 inch anchor bolts. Red heads is what I used again, okay? So, another thing. These front gable and rear gable ends, these band boards, okay? Right? So you'll see right here that there is an interior band board that does not go all the way to the post, right? So, make sure that when you build this band, that it is centered up with this gable end band. And I'm talking about dead on the money. Because if you don't, these angled braces are going to hit this end before these holes line up. And you have to drill these holes out even bigger than what they are. Or you either have to cut this end of this board off, okay, to make those line up and bolt through. So that's one issue. Or the second issue, I should say. All right, so let's come to the roof. That roof panel over there is done. All right, so we'll come to this roof. Now, again, these are pre-engineered, pre-milled cut lumber, okay? They aren't gapped perfectly. And when I say gapped, I mean the way they fit together, because they seat inside the roof rafters, okay? These nailers seat inside the roof rafters, right? So that's your eave, this is your ridge, okay? Bottom, top, right? So when you put this thing together, put your exterior eave board, put it on, put your ridge board on, 1 screw each rafter, square it up, okay? I've seen a lot of other videos where they're talking about this tin and this metal roof is sitting back over their frame like this and they can't get it square, okay? And the reason is because your roof tin, roof metal, is cut square, okay? If you have a gap like this, your frame is out of square, right? So from that corner to this corner should be 153 inches. From that corner to this corner, crossways, should be 153 inches. It tells you that in directions. And when they say 153 inches, they mean exactly 153, okay? Not 152 7/8 or 153 1/8. They mean 153 inches on the money, okay? So once you get it square, then you add the second set of screws here on your eaves, second set of screws on your ridge, put your nailers in, Go ahead and screw those down. They get 2 each, okay? And then your frame square. Right, so your next issue that you can't find on any other video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, so there's 2 pieces of tin or roof metal in that box that look like this. They have a flat end and a beveled end. Okay, you see that? Right, so flat end goes first on both panels. There's only 2 pieces of metal in that box that are like that. Do not put a flat end inside here, okay? Don't make it be your second or third or fourth piece. Start with that. Got it? Get it dead on the edge. Screw here. Get your other end right, screw it down. Right? Your ridge needs to be flush, which will allow your eaves to have a 5/16 drip edge. Have fun, y'all enjoy, good luck, comment, and I'll try to respond as quick as I can. Thanks.